Enalyzer offers powerful integrations to automate your survey workflows. In this video, I'll walk you through our integrations: SFTP, Webhooks, Zapier, and Azure Active Directory. The Secure File Transfer Protocol integration, or SFTP for short, allows you to automate the process of sending out survey invitations. By using a CSV file in your SFTP server, you can easily upload respondent information for your surveys. The best part is that you can set the frequency of the invites, which means that you can send surveys automatically without having to manually import the CSV file every time. However, it is important to note that this integration is triggered when there is an update to the CSV file in your server. For example, let's say that you have a CRM system that tracks purchases and exports customer information such as name and email as a CSV file to your SFTP server every day. This integration allows you to send daily survey invitations completely automatically once there is an update on that file, saving you time and effort. Webhooks can automate workflows and streamline processes, enhancing the survey experience for both businesses and respondents. We offer two webhook integrations: an incoming webhook that triggers a survey invitation to a respondent, and an outgoing webhook that sends the survey responses to an external system. Integrating Enalyzer with some of your favorite software such as Trello, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Power BI, Slack, and many more allows you to work with your data when you need it and where you need it. For some inspiration, I'm going to share some of the most common ways of using webhooks to create automated workflows. CRM automations. If you're using a CRM software such as Salesforce or Pipedrive, you can use an outgoing webhook to send customer satisfaction survey responses directly into your CRM. This way, you can track everything about the customer there and inform your sales strategies. Automate online purchase feedback. For online businesses, you can use an incoming webhook that triggers a survey every time someone makes a purchase. The survey invitation can include customer information as well as specific order details for a more personalized experience. I recommend that you use our online purchase feedback survey. Instant notification automations. You can use an outgoing webhook to post survey responses directly into a channel in Microsoft Teams or Slack so that your team can view the responses and discuss them directly there instead of logging into another platform. Automate event participant management. Use a form to register participants to your event. With an outgoing webhook, you can send this information to another project management app where you can keep track of the people participating in your event. You can also use an incoming webhook that will trigger a satisfaction survey once your event has taken place. Automate employee surveys. You can use incoming webhooks to send surveys to all of your employees directly from your HRM. You can decide which stage of the employee lifecycle you want to measure, for example, using employee entry or exit surveys or even pulse surveys. We have an entire video about the employees experience survey strategy that I recommend you check out. Enalyzer's webhooks are a built-in feature with no additional cost. However, they do require technical expertise, which means that you will probably need the help of your IT department to set them up and troubleshoot them. You can send your developers over to our developer portal to learn more about our API and how to use it. Enalyzer also offers integrations with Zapier, which can connect Enalyzer to over 5,000 apps and online tools such as Gmail, Dropbox, MailChimp, Trello, you name it. Think of Zapier as the middleman between Enalyzer and all of the apps it can connect with. Zapier uses triggers and actions to move data between applications and creates workflows called SAPs. A SAP watches your apps for new data and then sets off actions based on the triggers that you have set. While Zapier offers similar possibilities to webhooks, there are two key differences that you should be aware of. The first one is that you don't need any experience with coding to use Zapier. All the configurations that you have to do can be done directly within their interface, which is pretty user-friendly. Also, though Zapier might have a free plan, if you want to create complex workflows or transfer large amounts of data, you are going to need a paid plan. Ultimately, the decision to use Zapier or webhooks is going to come down to your specific needs, resources, and technical expertise. Enalyzer also offers an integration with Azure Active Directory, or AAD for short. It's a cloud-based identity and access management solution for Microsoft. With Enalyzer's AAD integration, you can import teams and members from your AAD directly into your Enalyzer organization. By using this integration, you can ensure that your employee data is up to date within your Enalyzer organization. This means that you don't have to worry about manually updating a respondent list in a CSV file every time you want to send surveys to your organization employees. Moreover, if you're going to have different members of your team work with Enalyzer, whether it is creating their own surveys and reports or reading online reports, then this integration allows you to define the role so you can easily manage their access and permissions. Finally, it also gives them single sign-on, which means that they can log in with their work email instead of having a separate username and password. To learn more, check out our video on the Azure Active Directory integration.